for the dilution of BCG vaccine. Tap water, sterile water, normal saline, or Ringer lactate. See, the right answer is sterile water. Universal immunization program was started in, there are so many options, universal immunization programs, which is under the national guidelines, in which there are specific vaccines which are given free to all the patients. 1985. Measles vaccine is a live viral vaccine, live bacterial vaccine, killed viral vaccine, killed bacterial vaccine. See, the right answer is live viral vaccine. Where is the antecubital fossa located? A depression in the bend of the knee, a depression in the scalp, a depression in the bend of elbow, or none of above. See, the answer is depression in the bend of the elbow. Measles vaccine is given at birth, 9 months, 6 months, 15 to 18 months. See, if you see measles, measles individually भी आती है, measles MMR के साथ भी आती है. Measles, mumps, rubella. So it is given at 9 months. MMR vaccine is given to prevent, what is the answer? Malnutrition, measles and rubella, measles, mumps and rubella, measles, malaria and rheumatoid, measles, mumps and malaria, mumps and rubella. See, the answer is measles and mumps and rubella. DPT vaccine is given to prevent. Now, DPT vaccine is given to prevent, मतलब यहाँ पे इसकी full form पूछी जा रही है. What is the full form of DPT? So, what is the full form of DPT? See, it is diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus. Daily requirement of calcium in an infant is, see, options are so many, but the right answer is 500 milligram. Now here I want to tell you that the requirement of an adult is 1000 milligram and requirement of a teenager is a 1200 milligram and requirement of a neonate is 200 milligram. Interval between 2 doses of TT in pregnant ladies should be 1 month, 1 year, 1 week, 2 weeks. What should be the interval? Here the answer is 1 month. The inotropic medication primarily decrease after load, increase force of contraction, decrease preload or decrease heart rate. What does it do? It increases the force of contraction of the myocardium. Duke's criteria is related to which disease condition? Infective endocarditis, typhoid, hydrocephalus, encephalitis. See, Duke's criteria is related to the fever of unknown origin and generally it is the infective endocarditis. Which one of these is not a cardiac biomarker? See, alkaline phosphatase, creatinine, kinase, troponin and myoglobin. नाम से ही पता चल जा रहा है. The right answer will be alkaline phosphatase. Which of the following is a non-drug therapy for a children with epileptic seizures? See, ketogenic diet, high protein diet, low fat diet, high fiber diet. जनरली एपिलेप्टिक सीजर्स में हम कैसी डाइट देना चाहते हैं? हम जो है वो ब्रेन के शुगर को कम रखना चाहते हैं, मतलब द शुगर लेवल ऑफ द पेशेंट शुड बी लो. तो व्हाट आर द डाइट्स वी कैन गिव? कीटोजेनिक डाइट विच इज हाई फैट डाइट एंड हाई प्रोटीन डाइट विच विल लीड टू द लो कीटो साइकिल स्टार्ट होती है बॉडी में और लो शुगर होती है. फिर इससे क्या होता है? ब्रेन की शुगर लो रहती है, थोड़ी स्लाइटली लोअर. When physiological jaundice appears in a newborn. See, there are two types of jaundice, pathological jaundice and physiological jaundice. Physiological jaundice तुरंत आ जाता है और pathological jaundice बाद में आता है. So what are the causes? At what time it originates? At birth, on second week, on second day, first week after birth. See, answer is on the second day. Which of the following fontanelle in child is closed? First close. So which of the पहले कौन सा क्लोज होता है? फ्रंटल, ऑसिपिटल, स्फीनॉइड, मैस्टॉइड. आंसर इज ऑसिपिटल. टू कैलकुलेट द डोज ऑफ मेडिसिन फॉर अ चाइल्ड, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फॉर्मूला इज यूज्ड? यंग्स रूल, फ्रेड्स रूल, क्लैर्क्स रूल, ऑल अबव। सी मैंने पिछली बार शायद लिया भी था ये क्वेश्चन, तो दोनों ही एक इन्फेंट में फॉल करता है, एक पीडियाट्रिक कैटेगरी में फॉल करता है, तो हियर द आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. In a premature labor, which of the following medicine is useful for the newborn? See, magnesium sulfate, oxytocin, dexamethasone, testosterone. Whenever there is a premature labor, the baby is going to be preterm. तो preterm baby में क्या होता है, lung maturity नहीं होती, organs are not well developed, but सबसे vulnerable organ उसमें होता है lungs. तो whenever we are giving the mother injection dexamethasone, that somewhere helps in the maturity of the lungs, and post डिलीवरी बेबी को लंग रिलेटेड इश्यू कम होते हैं. विल्म्स ट्यूमर इज रिलेटेड टू किडनी, ब्रेन, टेस्टिस, लिवर. सी विल्म्स ट्यूमर का क्लासिकल है, इट इज रिलेटेड टू ऑलवेज किडनीज. नॉर्मल बर्थ वेट इज 2.5 to 3 kg, 2 to 2.5 kg, 3 to 3.5 kg, 2.2 to 2.7 kg. See, Indian scenario, 2.5 to 3 kg is the normal birth weight. A newborn is considered as a low birth weight if the weight is how much? 2.5 kg, less than 2.5 kg, less than 2 kg, less than 3 kg. Here answer is less than 2.5 kg. Causative organism of chickenpox is chickenpox का causative organism paramyxovirus, varicella zoster, herpes simplex virus and Bordetella pertussis. See here the answer will be varicella zoster. MMR vaccine is given by which route? IM, subcutaneous, IV, and or intradermal routes. Here the answer is subcutaneous route. BCG vaccine is given to prevent tuberculosis, polio, measles, diphtheria. See, if you see Bacillus calmette-guerin vaccine is given at birth to prevent the tuberculosis, and it only there are studies that show it only prevents the extrapulmonary tuberculosis. That is lungs की tuberculosis को नहीं prevent करता, but बाकी tuberculosis को काफी coverage दे देता. Components of ORS include sodium chloride, potassium chloride, water, sugar. Sodium chloride, KCl, sodium citrate, water and sugar, and NaCl, KCl, soda bicarb and sugar, and NaCl and KCl and magnesium chloride and water. So here the content of the ORS is sodium chloride, potassium chloride, sodium citrate, and water and sugar. Always remember. Again, I will tell you sodium chloride, potassium chloride, sodium citrate, and water and sugar. One of the following glands that regulate the calcium metabolism is parathyroid, thyroid, adrenal, thymus. See, calcium homeostasis अगर हम पढ़ें तो उसमें clearly mentioned है the calcium is metabolized by parathyroid. All of the following features are true related to kidney except कौन सा इसमें से true नहीं है. Lie in the abdomen in the lumbar region, act as a storehouse of urine, bean shaped organ, maintain acid base balance. See, act as a storehouse of urine, act as a storehouse of urine, which ये गलत है, ये नहीं है, क्योंकि the right place where the urine is stored is a bladder. All of the following features are true related to kidney except penicillin, an antibiotic, can treat all the following infections except pneumonia, respiratory tract infection, scarlet fever and chlamydia. See, chlamydia में penicillin use नहीं करते हैं. Microbes which form the largest group of microorganisms, what are they? Fungi, bacteria, yeast, virus. See, answer is bacteria. A condition that gives rise to a response leading to action is called event covert stimulus radiculus. See, stimulus. All of the following are mental activities by an individual except thinking, sleeping, reasoning, imagining. Sleeping. Cholera is caused by Salmonella typhi, Vibrio cholerae, bacterial and viral and streptococcal. See, the answer is Vibrio cholerae, bacterial. Overdevelopment of breast in males is called mastitis, Klinefelter tenderness, gynecomastia. See, it is called as gynecomastia.